Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have an enemy battler of an Aspidochelone by Tawariki Fubiki, a week-long game jam hosted by RM2k3, focusing on making a game with RPG Maker 2003. It starts on May 17th, and Vagabond Dog will be taking part in it as well. Next, two unique RPG Maker games recently came out. Shinobuya, a side-scrolling stealth action RPG made in VX. It's a story about a girl with mysterious powers struggling to meet her mother while working at a ninja shop. Life in a Kong's Double Dragon Dream. This is a horizontal action arcade game with constant battles and no dialogue. It's reminiscent of games like Double Dragon, it's in the title. Next, we have a pack of 96 food icons by Yekaterina Stadnikova, 55 tracks of synthwave-style music by Azakaela, 41 tracks of RPG-themed orchestral music by Jonathan Shaw and Dejika, a set of 6 vampire-themed sprites and busts by Yekaterina Stadnikova, a Wild West asset pack by Pixelpilly with Tileset, sprites, battlers, animations, and all the rest. It's a complete package. And lastly, a Tileset pack of Cyberpunk themed interior by Winlu and Dejika. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.